Let's imagine you're 55 years old, sitting across from your doctor, describing hot flashes so intense you wake up drenched in sweat. You share how sex has become painful from vaginal dryness, how your energy has dipped, and how you feel like a stranger in your own skin. And then your doctor says something that makes you pause. Have you considered hormone replacement therapy? Ladies, Dr. Emily here, an OBGYN and hormones specialist. For many women, those words bring both hope and fear. Hope, because you've heard HRT, hormone replacement therapy, can bring relief. Fear, because you've also heard it can be dangerous. In this episode, we are going to clarify what hormone therapy really is, what it can do, what risks it carries, and how to decide whether it's right for you. Why hormones matter after menopause. During your reproductive years, hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are your body's invisible orchestra. They keep your bones strong, your mood balanced, your skin elastic, and your intimate tissues nourished. But after menopause, these hormones drop sharply. Estrogen declines lead to vaginal atrophy, hot flashes, night sweats, and bone loss. Progesterone declines affect sleep, mood, and uterine health. Testosterone declines lower libido, energy, and motivation. The result? Many women describe feeling like the light inside them has dimmed. That's not weakness, it's chemistry. And this is where hormone therapy for women over 50 can play a powerful role. What exactly is HRT? Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT, is the medical use of estrogen, progesterone, and sometimes testosterone to restore balance after menopause. It comes in several forms. Estrogen therapy, pills, patches, gels, sprays, or vaginal creams. Progesterone, added if you still have a uterus to protect against uterine cancer. Testosterone therapy, sometimes used for women with very low libido. There's also a rising interest in bioidentical hormones, plant-derived hormones chemically identical to those your body makes. These are often promoted as more natural and can be delivered in creams, troches, or custom compounded capsules. What are benefits of HRT? For many women, HRT can feel like flipping a switch back to vitality. Here's what the research and decades of experience tell us. 1. Relief from hot flashes and night sweats. Estrogen is the most effective treatment for hot flashes, the #1 menopause complaint. Many women experience improvement within weeks. 2. Vaginal comfort and intimacy. Estrogen therapy for vaginal dryness can restore elasticity, moisture, and pleasure. Vaginal estrogen, cream, ring, or tablet, works locally with minimal absorption into the bloodstream. 3. Bone protection. Estrogen supports bone density, lowering the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 4. Mood and energy. Some women notice improved sleep, less brain fog, and better mood regulation. 5. Sex drive. When combined with lifestyle and emotional support, HRT can help restore female libido after 50, making intimacy more enjoyable again. So, what are the risks you need to know? Of course, HRT isn't perfect. Like all treatments, it comes with potential risks, which vary depending on your age, health history, and type of therapy. Breast cancer risk. Long-term use of combined estrogen plus progesterone therapy may slightly increase breast cancer risk. The risk depends on duration, dose, and personal history. blood clots, and stroke. Oral estrogen can raise clotting risk, especially in women with obesity, smoking, or clotting disorders. Transdermal patches and gels appear safer. Heart disease. Timing matters. Starting HRT soon after menopause may protect the heart. Starting it later, after age 60 to 65, carries higher cardiovascular risks. Here's the important truth. For healthy women under 60, or within 10 years of menopause, the benefits of HRT often outweigh the risks. For others, non-hormonal options may be safer. In fact, not every woman chooses or can safely use hormone therapy. But that doesn't mean you're without options. Let's talk about natural alternatives to HRT. 1. Herbal and plant-based remedies. Black cohosh, red clover, and maca root have been studied for hot flashes and libido. Soy isoflavones, phytoestrogens, may offer mild estrogen-like effects. 2. Diet and lifestyle. Omega-3s, calcium, and vitamin D support bones and mood. Mindfulness, yoga, and stress management reduce hot flashes. Strength training protects bone and muscle mass. 3. Non-hormonal medications. Certain antidepressants, SSRIs, SNRIs, can reduce hot flashes. Vaginal moisturizers and lubricants provide immediate relief for dryness. These natural remedies for menopause symptoms are not always as potent as HRT, but they can still make a meaningful difference. Here's something often overlooked. HRT isn't just about biology. It's about identity. Many women tell me, "I feel like myself again. I can finally sleep through the night. I'm laughing again, enjoying my husband again." That shift is not superficial. It's profound. Because when your hormones are in harmony, your soul feels at home in your body again. The question, is HRT right for you? How do you decide? Here are guiding questions I give my patients. Are your symptoms disrupting your daily life? Do you have a personal or family history of breast cancer, heart disease, or clots? Are you within 10 years of menopause onset? Are you open to both medical and lifestyle approaches? This is not about choosing hormones or not. It's about crafting a personalized plan for postmenopause hormone support, whether that includes HRT, natural alternatives, or a mix of both. Let me share the story of Linda, a 59-year-old teacher. She came to me exhausted from night sweats, embarrassed by vaginal dryness, and sad about her fading sex drive. She said, "I feel like I've aged 20 years in 2. After a full evaluation, we started her on a low-dose transdermal estrogen patch, plus vaginal estrogen cream. Within 3 months, she felt alive again. Her words, "I didn't realize how much menopause had stolen from me until I got it back." Linda's story isn't unique. It's one of thousands, and it's a reminder. Menopause doesn't have to mean suffering. Relief is possible. Hormone replacement therapy is not a magic pill, and it's not for everyone. But for the right woman, at the right time, it can be life-changing. Whether you choose HRT, natural remedies, or a combination, the message is the same. You are not powerless. You deserve to feel comfortable in your body. You deserve intimacy without pain. You deserve vitality, laughter, and joy in the second half of life. So don't fear the word hormones. Explore it, learn, ask questions, and know this: healing is possible, and your story isn't over. It's just beginning. And don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel for trusted, in-depth guidance on vaginal wellness and women's health, because your body deserves to be understood, not overlooked. I'll see you in the next episode of Alive Again with Dr. Emily, where healing begins and strength returns. You are not alone, and you never have to heal in silence.